Hey YouTube, gonna go and see how the Navi does it off-road. I went through here before, not really supposed to be in here, but it's not bad. This used to be a airport, but now it's turned into houses. But today, it's a test track for Navi off-road. Figure if I just skip over the big bumps and shit, we'll be alright. Navi's 100% stock, and this has a different back tire than what came with it, but it is a street tire, so this is definitely a... Ooh. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be in here with this. Turn around. Not a lot of ground clearance, but the wheelbase is so short. Just whoop, right over. Okay, this looks fun. So they're still sitting down. For this is fine. I mean, I wouldn't really go too fast, you know, but honestly, it's really good. Standing up, a little rough. Just because those handlebars are so short. So sliding on the front. I don't think... there was a road over there, but they decided to get rid of it, it looks like. Let's see. Let's get a scenario I turn around, right? Oh, okay. Bulldozer tracks aren't very fun. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. The little dirt road that was in here the other day is gone. It is completely blah. Alright, so Honda Navi off-road. Can it be done? Absolutely. Does it exactly kill it? No. Will I continue to go off-road occasionally with it? Yeah. Just more dirt road, hard pack. Hey, this is not good. This is too far. Ooh, lots of mud. This is really rough in here. Right up here. This is all rolled in, nice and hard. So this is like a dirt road. I'd say you'd be fine. Let's go up here. I don't know if one link in the front brake would make a difference. Okay, that doesn't go anywhere either. It got rid of all the roads. But it might make a difference. I have zero experience off-road. Navi's the only bike I've ever owned, so bike, scooter thing. And I'm thinking I need to get out of here actually, because one of those houses over there, I remember growing up, they were like really jerks. They'd come through the airport to get to the wood trails for bicycles, and they'd call the cops like, they're on the airport. So before I get called or to give the cops my license plate, we are going to get out of here. Big hole. But on a Navi off-road, it'll do some light off-road, like light off-road, I guess. We're gonna go down here, see if there's a spot. They were building stuff down here too. Oh, this used to be a golf course. then they decided to sell it and build houses. Yay. And we need more houses. More cookie cutter houses. Ow, bug. Bug bite. We're gonna sneak into here. See what's down here. Somebody dropped some stone. It's like it's a stone road. I don't know what's back here. Oh, seriously? Oh, hi puppy. Oh, puppy's not on a leash. Puppy's not on a leash. Puppy is not on a leash. Alright, we ain't going that way. Fido said no. That and I can't get around that load of stone. So we will go down the hill. Let's see if we get in the side dumps a little bit. You don't have a stop sign, but I do. Thank you. Amazon. Supplying everybody with stuff. Well, I guess that's the end of the off-road test. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the Navi off-road a little bit. I might try another spot, but I have to wait for the weekend for that. And then hit the subscribe button if you like my channel. Give me a like on the videos. Let me know what you want to see. Questions, comments, put them below. Thanks. Have a good day.